In this video, I'm going to reveal 9 ways that you can promote your affiliate links for free. If you have a cell phone that's smart and an internet connection, you can make money online for free. And in this video, I'm going to show you 9 different ways to do it. So make sure you watch this entire video because I'm going to show you methods that some people just refuse to mention. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. And as a successful affiliate marketer, I've made money with everything from security cameras to sound bars, stand mixers, web hosting, and even online courses. If you want real affiliate marketing tips, tricks, and tactics, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with products that you already own. All right, so let's go ahead and get right into it. What we're going to do today is I'm going to show you 9 different ways that you can promote your affiliate links 100% for free, and I'm going to save the best ones for the first couple. So let's go ahead and get right into this. The first one that I want you to see on my screen is simply with LinkedIn. Most people assume that LinkedIn is about finding a job or finding a career, but it's also a great place to find people that are interested in everything. People are looking to make money, they're looking to grow their personal brand, and this can be your opportunity. So what you're going to do is you're going to come up to the search bar and just type in your niche. So we could type in something like woodworking like this, and hit enter, and you're going to see people are creating all sorts of content about woodworking. So here's a fun fact. Gary Vee, who is huge in the social media space, believes strongly in LinkedIn for growing your personal business and your personal brand. So what we've done is we've typed in woodworking, and then we can go sort by groups. Look at, there are groups that are dedicated to woodworking. And if you know anything about ClickBank, one of the most popular products over on ClickBank is simply Ted's Woodworking. And so you could create a group about woodworking and potentially make money. If you don't like creating groups, you could actually create posts about woodworking as well, as you can see. And one of the cool things is LinkedIn still takes advantage of hashtags. And so you could actually start creating hashtags in woodworking, in the woodworking space, and you could make money. But I really like LinkedIn as an opportunity because not a lot of people are jumping over there to create content as an affiliate. People kind of stay away from LinkedIn because they don't want their boss or manager to know that they're making money on the side or starting a side hustle. But number 1 is LinkedIn. Number 2 is actually with Reddit. Yes, I really like Reddit as an opportunity to earn passive income because people are coming to Reddit and they're asking questions. They need help with something. And whenever people are asking questions and they have a problem, that's your opportunity to make money as an affiliate. So once again, you're going to come up to Reddit and you're going to type in something like best. We can type in best and hit enter. Now with Reddit, you do need to be careful because a good portion of this website is not safe for work. And so you might see something on the screen that's not safe for work, and I do apologize for that. But we can see people, what goes best with milk. We could actually promote different food items that go best with milk. One of the best jokes we could promote joke books. There are just tons of ideas. We could even type in something like, we could say best computer for, and then when we hit enter, you're going to see that there are tons of people asking questions about the best computer for their needs. Top result, best computer for a student, best computer for construction science majors. What's the best computer for programming? Now you can see here that they're asking questions, and what you could do is you could write a long post out and say, here are my top 5 recommendations for the best computer for their needs. You could even send them to a blog post. If you've started a blog, you could send them wherever you want them to go, and you can make money. Now again, you do have to be a little careful with Reddit because some of it is a little bit not safe for work. But if we continue on, number 3 is with TikTok. Yes, everybody talks about TikTok. It is the flavor of the month right now, and it's still a really good opportunity to make money. What we can do is we can come up to the search bar once again, and we can type in best computer like this. And one of the new things with TikTok is they're now into search engine optimization, or SEO. So one of the best ways to get in front of a highly targeted group of people is to come up to the search bar and just type in best something for something. But if you look at this, best computers for business, we click on that. This is getting thousands of views, and you could just create an entire TikTok account, telling people the best X for Y, and then ultimately send them to a blog post if you wanted to, or you can send them to a YouTube channel or directly to an offer. Some people will use Linktree. I made a video about why you shouldn't use Linktree. If you have $0 to spend, I guess you could start there and then reinvest in your business later on. But look at this. People are answering this question, 165,000 views, 41,000 views, simply on best computer for business. And you could create that video and make money. Now you could grab your affiliate links from Best Buy, Amazon, wherever they're selling computers, and make money. After TikTok, we have Instagram. And for me, Instagram Reels is actually doing really well. So I just want to show you how well Instagram Reels are doing for me and why that's important, because I don't have a huge following over on Instagram. I actually have less than 1,000 followers. But if we look at my Reels here, you can see the Reels are doing really well if you are consistent. 1,000 views. If we scroll down a little bit, 1,000, almost 2,000. One of these has almost 8,000 views. Make money with water balloons. And from here, you can promote whatever it is that you're interested in. And what I recommend that you do is take advantage of Instagram Reels while it's still being pushed and still really popular. The other thing with Instagram Reels is it's entirely possible that your Instagram Reels will show up on Facebook Reels, because there simply isn't enough content over on Facebook right now. And so they're really trying to grow their Facebook Reel presence, and they're actually borrowing Instagram Reels and putting them over on Facebook. I know that's a little confusing, but that is an opportunity. Now, what you could do over here on Instagram is you could actually promote something like a web page builder or even email marketing. And what you could do here is go find influencers that are maybe doing their internet marketing business wrong. These could be people that have a Linktree account already set up, and then you could recommend either doing something like Bluehost or using ClickFunnels to collect emails so that they can grow their business. So you could come up here and type in something like, workout, and you can see it gets tons of views, and you're just looking for, I would say, medium and large influencers in this space, and then you can reach out to them individually and say, hey, look, right now you're missing out on more money. You're missing out on more opportunity. One of the best ways to grow your business and make more money is to collect leads. And what you could offer to do is set up their landing page for them for free, and then have them click on the link for ClickFunnels. And then once they install the platform, show them how to use it, of course, and then they're going to see the results, and then they're going to keep it. But that's a cool way to make money. Another great way to make money for free is actually with Aweber. Now, Aweber is an email marketing software, and you can actually use this for free for your first 500 customers. And so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to use these other platforms that I mentioned and send them directly to Aweber to collect their email. Now, email marketing is going to be a huge component in your success as an affiliate marketer. If you're not doing email marketing, you're probably losing, I would say, about 90% of the sales, the potential sales that you are going to earn. And so again, you can start Aweber 100% for free. You can actually build your landing page through Aweber. As you can see on the screen here, up to 500 email subscribers, landing pages, web push notifications. You really have everything you need to get started for free with Aweber. And you can actually start making money before having to pay anything. What you'd want to do is use these other platforms here that I'll mention and build a landing page in Aweber and use your web URL for your landing page and put them in the different spots. And when people click on the landing page, they enter their name, their email. You can follow up with email marketing. But email marketing is going to be critical to your success as an affiliate marketer. And so I would recommend that you use Aweber. After Aweber is Facebook groups. Yes, Facebook groups are still really profitable and powerful in 2022. You can see here I just typed in woodworker, and there are tons of these groups out here dedicated to woodworking. Now, you don't just have to use woodworking. Obviously, you can use any niche that you're interested in. If you want to help people build websites, if you want to help people build landing pages, or even start a software company, there are tons of groups out there. But if we look at woodworking projects, 210,000 members, 200,000 members, 255,000 members, 443,000 members. So that's close to 1 million people that are interested in woodworking. And you simply would create a Facebook group for free and add content consistently. And eventually Facebook is going to recommend people that might be interested in your group. So you want to make sure that you are consistent with your Facebook group, and then eventually Facebook will start recommending. Now, I'll create a separate video. Comment down below separate video. If you want me to create a separate video on how to create a Facebook group for affiliate marketing, I'll be happy to create that for you if you comment below. After Facebook group, we have Twitter. Yes, Twitter is still really, really powerful in 2022, and you can actually do Twitter a little bit different. Now, I picked up this trick from Spencer Meacham, his YouTube channel. I think it's called Spencer Meacham, and what he did is he simply just typed in where to buy. Okay, and when you hit enter, you're going to look at posts for people that are looking to buy stuff. So you click on latest, and then you would find out where to buy a PlayStation, for example, grab your affiliate link from Amazon and respond. And then that's it. Now, the only drawback to this method is you're going to have to continuously post day in and day out, multiple times per day, but it's actually really easy. It looks like Elon Musk is taking control of Twitter. That's why it's not working right now. But where to buy is really simple, really easy. The next way is actually starting a YouTube channel. Now, I talked about starting a YouTube channel just yesterday or the day before, how you can grow relatively quickly. What you can do is type the name of your product that you want to promote and then review after. For example, we could do something like ClickFunnels review, like this, and you're going to give a review of ClickFunnels. You're going to do tutorials for ClickFunnels and then put your affiliate link in the description of your videos. And when people click on those links and make a purchase, you make money. And the final way is with Quora. Now, Quora will always hold a special place in my heart simply because it's how I earned my first $130 as an affiliate. What I did is I came up to Quora and I typed in web hosting like this. And I went answer questions and I put my affiliate link to Bluehost in the answers. Now, you cannot do that. That is a violation of their terms of service. I didn't know that when I did it, but it's absolutely important that you do not do that. That is a violation of the terms of service. But getting back over to Quora, you come down to questions here and you simply answer the questions. Now, you will need to answer probably about 4 or 5 questions per day in order to start getting traction. But I really like Quora. I've always loved Quora as an opportunity to get fast traffic. So just to recap real quick, number 1, we have LinkedIn. Number 2, we've got Reddit. 3, we've got TikTok. 4, Instagram. 5, email marketing, especially with Aweber. Number 6, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and then Quora. Now that you know the 9 different ways that you can make money online for free, click the first link in the description for my free 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with products that you already own. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.